Also wooden. Okay, so this is let us say, how do I should I say that this is a very important experimental theatre space. सुदर्शन रंगमंच बोलते हैं इसको. And basically it was a marriage hall long time back and owned by uh, Damle couple. The lady is a very well known actress, Shibangi Damle. You'll see her on advertisements, cinema, television. She's an old lady, she plays now. She might be there, we'll probably say hello to her. And her husband, who is a surgeon and now retired and looking after. So their passion for theatre was so much that they converted this marriage hall into a performing space. And let us say, when the experimental theatre started in Pune, this was the place from where it started, you can say. And we'll see it is multi-purpose. So there is a performing space, there is a rehearsal space upstairs, which is very rare in Pune. Rehearsal space कधी मिळत नाही आपल्याला. They have a full floor of rehearsal space. They also hire it out, 200 rupees an hour, I think 150 rupees an hour for rehearsal. They have an art gallery on the ground floor, and we all have he's performed here. Maybe I have used it in different ways by getting theatre groups here. We have had a Buddhan theatre had come here. We had a 3-day workshop of children of DNT tribes from Gujarat. So we had a 3-day festival here. So this place again can be mixed and matched. When we go to upstairs, I'll show you how it can be mixed and matched. So we will go on in that space. Even today, it's very hot, very important. And I think for any actor, it is God sent, like to perform in an intimate space. Again, a kind of a black box theatre, to work so close to an audience. We'll see how that thing works. You have to remove your shoes and keep them outside. So this is another very important cultural kind of a thing. की तू मगाशी विचारलंस ना नाट्यगृह म्हणे काय म्हणतात तर ते देवाचं स्थान असतं. दिस इज अ प्लेस फॉर गॉड असं मानलं जातं. म्हणून ते भूत बाहेर काढून आत यायचं देवाला. ओके, त्याचं कारण हॅलो अर्जुन आहे आणि शिवा गेले त्याला सांगतोच आम्ही आलो. डॉक्टर अजय वर्षी आले म्हणजे ओळखतो देतो. So you'll see this is a performing space called Sudarshan Rangmanch. Very otherwise traditional in the sense performance there, audience here, and in Maharashtra we have a tradition of sitting on the floor. तो इधर ये लगाते हैं, दरी लगाते हैं और यहाँ तक audience बैठता है. Right up here, unless they have a footlight or something. Otherwise, audience can sit so close. Okay, but again, this is very flexible. These are levels which can be moved. Okay. So we have had performances where this section, like this, was the performing area. Okay, one of close friend of mine and his professor Aniruddha Khutwad, he had done one Satish Harekar play called Mahapur, कि जहाँ उधर से entrance था, and this window was one of the properties, and the performance was happening here. Audience sat on this side and audience sat on this side, on one level, not steps. Okay. Or multiple things. Pradeep Vaidya did one Kazvan Se Gaon, where the performance started like this, and ended like this, or ended there. And the audience was sitting on that side and this side. So multiple ways that this space can be used. And there is the music console over there. Lights are over here. This is the stage. And I think for like I was saying, for any actor, performing in this space is like the ultimate. It gives you a different kind of high when your audience, you can actually get the feel of how you are reacting, how the audience is reacting over here. And they have a small little green room at the back. वो भी देख लेते हैं हम लोग. और this is the space. बहुत flexible space है. And in a way, it is a black box. Okay, because when they close these windows, it becomes black. Black for the color, but not typical black box. But not like Pradeep's black box. But the concept is same, intimate space. Okay, so again, architectural delight to be here. And there is one staircase that goes from there downstairs. On the other side, there's one staircase that goes from here. So many times when you have these kind of performances, the entrance takes place from outside. So we go at the back and we enter from there. We enter from here. We don't come into the performing space. Okay, and like again, space is being used very interesting. Like many times we always felt that there's a space for the performers, space for the audience. But nowadays, a lot of experimentation is being done in Pune where the audience is invited into the Rangapit, into the space where the performance happens. different kind of dialogue. Like I'll share a quick example with you. I had very casually in Koregaon Park gone to have coffee. We sat in that bar. It was completely all the tables were occupied, and I think a few years back, and we were having coffee, and then one person comes inside that coffee shop, and they close all the doors. Okay, and I don't know where it happened. It happened just behind St. Mira's College in that lane. There was one, and he closed all the doors and he says that none of you are supposed to get up from here because a murder has taken place and one of you is the murderer. Okay, very, very seriously he said. He said there's been a murder and one of you, we know that one of you is the murderer. And then the play starts. We all are going to take that process forward and find out who is the murderer.
My God.
Okay, so different ways in
starts with
which,
the climax.
yeah, he closed the door. We were having coffee, just walked into and we were having coffee. And he says that a murder is taking place and one of you is a murderer. We cannot let you go, we have to search you. And then the whole process. And so, different ways in which these kind of experiments have been done with space. Okay, fantastic thing that is. There's another experience in Kerala. There was a 9-hour performance which happened at 9, started happening at 9 o'clock at night in an open field of 100 acres nearly. And the audience there's a set put up in the middle over there. Maybe some storyline. It's one of the classics of Tamil literature. So that story was taken, a hut was created, and the audience was there listening to their thing. And then वो scene खत्म होने के बाद में we walked for about 1 kilometer. The new set is put over there. Actors, everyone walk over there. We watch the second scene. Whole night we are going from one scene to the other. In the end, there is a small lake in that property, and we sit on the lake. The sun rises there, and the crows and all these things are naturally in the surrounding where nature comes into the performance. It was a very beautiful experience. 9 hours we were just, and then beach maybe have coffee, have chai, sit down, relax, and then the next scene starts. So we go to the next space and the next set is being created over there. And as a karat morning sunrises, the water is there, beautiful it was, and play. So very interesting. We'll meet Shubhangi Damle. Aitar
I'm told Manish Mitra, Urubangam is also
Urubangam also here joined on the same.
in the same format.
So I'll just get Shubhangi Damle. On that side, they have made special rooms. So if you have a group coming and staying here, so they have a nice, comfortable room for the director and conference room and open spaces for the actors to put the DJ show something. So anyone coming here and staying here and doing a performance exit can come and stay here. They have made provisions. And exactly इतनी बड़ी जगह ऊपर है जहाँ rehearsals होते हैं, which is so rare. कि नीचे perform करने वाले हो ऊपर rehearsal space है पूरी. And नीचे
rehearsals happen.
But that is a art gallery and mixed into a rehearsal space. Performance भी देखा है. And so this is a wonderful thing. You can walk around and get the feel of it. I always love to stand. Very little bit to another theatre space. While we are going there, what I want you to see is how Pune city has changed. You'll see a lot of old houses here, which we call as Vada in Marathi. Stone mansion है और उसके साथ ही नए बिल्डिंग्स भी बने हुए हैं. And you'll also look into the shops. There are some very unique छोटे shops are there. People are still selling things out of those shops. There is also a place where you can where the cows are at the back in that Vada and they milk the cows and they sell the milk in the front. So all these old systems are present on this little walk from here. So keep looking around and seeing. And this tree here, it's been trimmed down and they're doing some horrible thing over there. But it used to be a lovely tree and a kind of a platform around it. In Marathi we call it as a par. People would sit there in the evenings and chat and sing and all those kind of things. Now they are doing this stupid thing of building, I think, some temple or something like that. Otherwise, it's a lovely space over there, natural. You see a lot of banyan trees, old ones, but now all being cut down to make these buildings. Okay, so we'll walk to the next theatre space. Yeah. Actually, इकडे जास्ती चांगला चहा मिळतो. I was hoping we would have tea here. You guys gave us tea over.
You want for the second? Do you want to go for the second round?
No, no, if anyone wants to, but that's where all our theatre people we normally have.
Oh, okay.
Not here, at the end there.
Acha.
He's very popular with vada pav and stuff like that. Lovely, lovely tea.
Acha.
So all these are new constructions that are coming up. Then you have one old vada kind of a half broken down structure.
This mixed character of the city
Yeah,
is,
absolutely. It's amazing.
and how this entire area changes shape
Yeah.
as per the festivals. आपले
Absolutely.
Ganesh festival मध्ये
Yeah,
वगैरे.
yeah. बघ ना आता हा वाडा हा अजून जुनाच ठेवायचा भिडे वाडा
हो.
किती जुना आहे बापरे आणि अराउंड इट पार्ट ऑफ इट हॅज बीन एक्सटेंडेड into a building, part of it is still remaining the same.